In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN without a TV provider, so you can enjoy live sports and shows hassle-free. Start by subscribing to ESPN Plus, a standalone service that doesn't require a cable subscription. Download the ESPN app on your smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device and sign in with your ESPN Plus account. You'll get access to live events, original shows, and on-demand content. Alternatively, use live TV streaming services like Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV, which include ESPN as part of their packages. These services don't require a traditional TV provider and often offer free trials. Install their apps on your device or stream via a web browser. For offline viewing, download games or shows using the ESPN app if you're subscribed to ESPN Plus. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN without a TV provider.